Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your PlayStation 5 controller not working in some of your games. So the first thing you want to do is when you have it turned on, flip it around, and there's going to be a small reset hole on the back, and you can use like a toothpick. Just stick this into here, and it will turn off the controller and it will reset it. So on my controller, I need something a little bit smaller because I have these back paddles, but if you hold it down, your controller is going to turn off. And then you might need like a USB cable plugged into your PlayStation 5 and then your controller to reconnect it really quick. So I got one right here. And if I plug this into the front slot on the PlayStation 5 and then to my PlayStation 5 controller, I can reconnect it very easily. Then what we want to do after that is to verify our controller is up to date and the PlayStation software is up to date as well. So let's just go up to the top right here and select this. Scroll on down until we get to System. Then go to the right under System Software. And then just make sure our PlayStation 5 system software is up to date. If we do have any kind of controller update, what we can do is back out of here, drop on down to where it says Accessories right here. Go to the right, and then go to Controller, and then go down. And we got DualSense Wireless Controller Device Software up to date. So we can select this if we have a controller update. We can just verify that. Then once that's all good, we can back out of here and go to where it says Users and Accounts. Scroll on down, and then we can just restore the licenses. Sometimes if we have an issue with the game, just restoring the licenses can just fix it. So just select all the games and go to Restore. And this might take like 2 to 3 minutes for everything to just download, and you got to close your game in the background. Now, the last thing to do is turn off your PlayStation 4 controller or PS5 controller, whatever you have connected, and then reconnect it. So if we go back down to Accessories here and go to General, go to Bluetooth, we want to find our currently connected PlayStation controller. Go to Forget. If we go to Disconnect, this is simply just going to turn off. We want to completely forget it. And then what we need to do is have that USB cable and reconnect it. So if I go back to my controller now, you can see I have it connected with this USB and my controllers turn off. And this will instantly reconnect it if we have it plugged in. And then we can just turn it on. And it's going to be connected right here. And then we can disconnect the cable and it will be wireless. So we don't have to worry about that. And this is what usually fixes this issue for me. Otherwise, you could just try turning off and on your controller. If you hold down the PlayStation button on the controller, after about 5 to 10 seconds, the controller will completely turn off. And sometimes I have an issue where it will just keep spinning and I'll turn off my controller and I'll turn it back on. And this fixes the issue completely. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.